is a box of edible coconut shell charcoal. What's going on? I'm really choked to death. Mouth was filled with black powder. My tongue, please come and clean up a bit. Let's try taking another bite. It tastes terrible. Don't try this stuff lightly. Take a look at what I'm holding in my hand. This is the legendary incomparably hot dried bonito. Is it that tough? Let my tongue have a try. Take a shower first. And then rub your back. Burn me to death. I'll just use the chainsaw. Add some spice to my little ball. The taste is really good.